Alright, we're with the bug again today. Thanks for tuning into this episode. This is day 6. I'm going to work on taking off some sheet metal, hopefully clean up some wheel wells, and if we get far enough along in the night, spray some undercoating. So we'll see how that goes. So make sure you tune in and you follow along with this episode. Alright guys, going to work on drilling out the rivets, taking out the rivets for the hood latch and the cool little plate. We have new sheet metal that matches this with the louvers on front, so hopefully we can drill it all out, pull it out, make room for new sheet metal to go on there. So I'm just going to go ahead and start drilling stuff and see what we do to get this piece off, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, before I go any farther, I'm going to work on cleaning up the wheel wells. And underneath here, there's definitely some rust right here where it's damaged from a wreck back in the day, it looks like. And this front pan has some damage, and underneath it has some rust. So I'm trying to clean it up, scrub it down, put some undercoating on that, and then the wheel wells on the whole car to try to protect it, give it some more longevity, and hopefully make it last a bit longer and help it not get eaten by rust. So spray it all down here, underneath there, and try to do the wheel wells. So let's work on cleaning it up, knocking down the dirt and the rust, and hopefully we can get it sprayed down. Well, if you do that with that brush, make sure you have gloves and safety gear and long pants. I'm surprised I don't have any of them sticking in my hand. I might. If I do, I'll show you. But you can tell those little prickly things are flying off, jabbing my hands and hit my legs. I heard one every once in a while hit this. So make sure you wear your safety stuff and use those stupid brushes. It did a pretty good job knocking down the rust, cleaning it up so we can undercoat it, but it still sucks. Use your head. Alright guys, got some professional dead and sound rubberized paintable quick dry awesome Rust-Oleum undercoat that I'm going to try to spray. So let's give it a whirl. I'm just going to cover up all the rust and the live metal and the wheel wells on the whole car just to give it that extra protection and maybe knock down some of the noise. So I covered up some stuff I don't really want to spray, and I sprayed brake clean on it, just waiting for it to dry. Make sure I knock down all the kind of greasy, oily spots if there was any. Blew it off a couple times with the air. So hopefully it's ready enough for some undercoat. Well, that's looking a heck of a lot better. Boom, baby. Second side looking good. I didn't get too close, ran out of paint, but we're getting there. I'll undercoat the whole bottom side all the way up, do the rear fenders, and I did up underneath that pan. Pretty good down here. I got the edges here, and then on that side, and the whole pan underneath side, and the kind of subframe down there. This is just the first light coat. I'm gonna go over it again a little heavier next time. So one can got me almost 2 wheel wells, so I probably need another 2 cans or so what I already have, so I can do the whole car. Alright guys, there you have it. That's this episode. I at least got far enough along to use 1 can of undercoat. As you can see, it's looking much better. More protection, knocking down that rust. So I'm gonna let it dry tonight. Work on maybe doing another coat tomorrow. Cover up the bolt holes along the edges. And then spray it a little bit closer to where the seal will be. So the whole wheel well and all that fun stuff will be protected and waterproofed underneath with all the water and stuff that would be up under there. Salt, etc. So again, make sure you like and subscribe. You follow along with this build, and more to come on what we're doing with the old Volkswagen Beetle. More parts have been showing up, and we're working on more of this body stuff, and we'll have to attach that new body panel sooner or later. So thanks for tuning in. Till next time.